That you're a trans woman.
I trans female, yes, ma'am, sir.
Do you have a penis?
Arkansas's Republican State Senator Matt McKee upsetting onlookers when he asked transgender pharmacist Gwen Herzig about her genitalia at a court hearing on Monday.
That question was about the most dehumanizing, most embarrassing situation and public humiliation that I've ever been through.
Herzig was testifying at the hearing in support of gender-affirming care as the state's bill SB 199 heads to the state Senate for a vote. If passed, the bill will allow people who receive treatment as a minor to sue individual healthcare providers up to 30 years after.
I have went in there as a person who had lived experience, who was a born and raised in Arkansas individual, a constituent, then also a person who had a doctorate in pharmacy, had been serving the population that they're trying to pass legislation on. Having all that thrown out and trying to constitute me as just a single body part was extremely, extremely horrible and dehumanizing.
Senator McKee continued to provoke with his line of questioning. Herzig, visibly irritated, pushed back.
That's horrible.
Yeah. You're the one that brought that into the discussion.
I never said anything about genitalia.
Oh, it had everything to do with genitalia.
I'm not going to answer that question. That's highly inappropriate. I'm a healthcare professional, a doctor. Please treat me as such.
Herzig says conservative lawmakers are using pseudoscience and fear-mongering to further their agenda.
And the important thing to keep in mind is that the practice of medicine across all disciplines in the United States and research is research and evidence-based. We have dozens of American medical organizations that support gender-affirming care in adults as well as minors.
Senator McKee has not responded to NBC News' request for comment. This new bill comes after 2021 SAFE Act, another state law restricting gender-affirming care, which had passed but is now tied up in legal challenges.
This kind of legislation is devastating to the transgender community of Arkansas, but if passed, the implications of this kind of legislation are far wide-ranging. This is just one bill, and there's always going to be another bill.
So back in 2021, Arkansas became the first state to ban gender-affirming care for minors, but a federal judge temporarily blocked that law. That legislation largely mirrors the bill introduced this year.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.